In every organization, the most valuable asset is neither its technology nor its assets. It's the people and the workforce. And undoubtedly, your people deserves the best. An HR system that is simple to use, mobile first, reliable, and built across the real needs of today's workforce. This is where Green HR comes in. Green HR is a complete HR software designed to manage the entire employee life cycle on a single interface, from hire to retire, with ease and efficiency, from job posting and onboarding to attendance, leave, payroll, performance management, compliance, and employee self-service. Green HR brings everything together on one seamless platform. Whether you are a large enterprise, a growing organization, or a manufacturing unit managing a workforce, Green HR is built to scale with you for your unique requirements. With Green HR, you can simplify complex HR processes with customizable and automated payroll management, track attendance in real time with support for multiple shift, overtime, geo attendance, and geofencing. Stay compliant with statutory requirements, including support for applicable central or state labor codes. Process payroll in just a few clicks. Tax calculation built in. Manage employee performance by defining KPIs and enabling structure assessment for promotions and increments. Track IT and non-IT assets at one place. Monitor field employee visits using geo-tracking and geotagging through the tool management. Enable employee to submit travel claims for business and other expenses through workforce-based expense management. And empower your workforce through a smooth employee self-service portal with mobile interface.
Green HR has simplified our payroll and compliance.
It saved us hours every week and gave our HR team real control.
Managing hundreds of employees is now easier than ever.
1% of Green HR's revenue supports Vision India Talent Foundation and its Tech Talent Hunt initiative, a program that identifies underprivileged talent rural youth, especially women, and sponsor their training in technology and connect them to meaningful employment opportunities. The team behind Green HR includes rural talent under the Skill India mission, rural youth, especially women, who are building technology and shaping a better future. So when you choose Green HR, you do not just adopt a smart HR system, you also support livelihood, empower rural talent, and contribute to nation building through technology. If your company values its people, your HR system should too. Green HR, the smarter way to manage people. Because great companies are built by great teams.